Chevy Silverado misfire diagnosis. Has a misfire on cylinder number 6. There's a compression reading on cylinder number 6. It's reading less than 10 pounds. So there's definitely something going on with that cylinder. It's likely to be somewhere in the head, a valve problem or a push rod or something, maybe a lifter, but I don't hear any, there's no noises coming from it, so it's probably in the head somewhere. Wouldn't know without tearing into it for sure. Also, the spark plugs. This is the spark plug on that cylinder. It's packed full of oil. And I took the throttle body off and looked inside the intake. The intake's completely filled with oil. And that's just because of the valve cover on this side has a built-in PCV system, and it hasn't been upgraded to the newer style. So it's sucking up oil into this tube right here and dumping it in the intake. And that's why if you park it like on a driveway or something and then you start it up after it's been parked for a few days, oil drips down into the cylinders, and then it'll get a big puff of like light bluish white smoke. That's the oil sitting in the intake. Very common. But to go any further, we'd need more diagnosis time to start pulling it apart.